Following what I learned here so far is tips and tricks how to, work around cranes, what to look for, looking out for headroom and all that, working as a team, as a group. I think those are important things that I've learned and become accustomed to here. Definitely getting used to walking on the iron and being around crews that, are where everybody's learning at the same time. I think that makes you feel more comfortable when you get out on the job site, I'm sure. So I'm definitely feeling like I'll feel a lot more safe when I get out there.
What the crane course has taught me, as far as what I didn't know before, was definitely distilling the crane signals into me. I knew like a bare minimum of like how to signal, like I'd say a forklift. However, now when I get back into the field doing structural, I could bellman the actual crane and give you the proper signals to be able to pick up loads safely and adequately in a timely manner.
I've been out here for 2 days and I've been doing a little bit of connecting, rigging, and belling a crane. And I believe that this training is imperative to me because I'm a rod buster and I was scared to be up in the air and have the iron flying in at me. So coming out here, getting some hands-on training I feel a lot safer. I feel confident in my ability to get up on and do some connecting.
Not everybody has strong communication skills, but you definitely build that out here. So that's been great. Everybody feeling accomplished as one as soon as the project is done, that's the highlight right there.
I've also had more experience rigging in the field, but just kind of like getting more proper knowledge in like practice on like where to rig up at and like the different pickup points and rigging your loads up safely and level.
The thing it's done for me the most is built a lot of confidence. Now I'm not just thinking about what my book smarts are. I'm actually applying this to the field and at least have an idea of what I'm going to be doing out in the field, which is almost like a stress reliever in a way, which is super nice.
Yeah, this is the place to make mistakes and to not be afraid to commit the mistakes because you have the instructor right next to you, guiding you through each step.